Angulimala was once a notorious bandit and murderer. He roamed the forests, terrorizing travelers, and collecting their fingers as proof of his gruesome deeds. The name Angulimala means garland of fingers, because he wore these severed fingers as a necklace. One day, the Buddha, who was aware of Angulimala's violent actions, decided to go to the forest where he dwelled. Despite warnings from the villagers, the Buddha fearlessly walked towards Angulimala's hiding place. As Angulimala spotted the Buddha approaching, he saw an opportunity to add another finger to his gruesome necklace. He chased after the Buddha, shouting, "Stop! Stop!" However, no matter how fast Angulimala ran, he couldn't catch up to the Buddha. The Buddha, walking calmly, seemed to always be just out of reach. Angulimala was perplexed and exhausted by his futile efforts. Finally, he called out to the Buddha, "Why do you keep running away? Stop! I want to catch you." The Buddha turned to Angulimala and replied, "I have stopped, Angulimala. It is you who needs to stop." These simple words pierced Angulimala's heart. He realized the profound truth in the Buddha's statement. He had been relentlessly chasing after violence and destruction, causing immense suffering to others and himself. Overwhelmed with remorse and touched by the Buddha's compassion, Angulimala's heart softened. He fell to his knees and pleaded for forgiveness and guidance. The Buddha, seeing the sincerity in Angulimala's transformation, welcomed him into the fold of his disciples. From that moment on, Angulimala renounced his violent ways and devoted himself to the Buddha's teachings. He embraced a life of compassion, non-violence, and service to others. Despite his troubled past, Angulimala became known for his wisdom and profound spiritual realization. This story of Angulimala teaches us that no matter how dark our past actions may be, there is always an opportunity for redemption and transformation. It demonstrates the power of compassion to penetrate even the hardest hearts and awaken the potential for change. The story also highlights the importance of taking personal responsibility for our actions and the potential for inner growth and forgiveness. Through the Buddha's guidance and Angulimala's own sincere efforts, he was able to overcome his violent nature and find peace within himself. The story of Angulimala reminds us that no one is beyond redemption, and with the right understanding, guidance, and effort, we can all cultivate positive change and lead a path of compassion and wisdom.